What? Go look out the front door. Come on. Yeah, look. The Easter Bunny
The
came.
Easter Bunny was here.
Yeah. You don't see him? He left you something. Look.
Whoa, cool, Lakin.
Oh. What are you going to do with all of that?
The Easter Bunny was here.
Where are you going to take it? Where are you taking it to?
Where are you headed, kiddo? What is it?
Is it
Ooh. Ooh.
And some peeps. Oh, looky here, look.
What do you got? A Doc McStuffins purse? Cool.
There's something in it. All right. Yeah.
Okay.
Look.
What else is in there? Hello Kitty?
Look at there. Look at this. Watch. Look at that. Oh, one up over there.
Oh.
Yep, you gotta go.
Okay. Well, let's look and see what else you got.
It's way back up under there. Mom's got to get it from her side.
Okay, well, we'll get it later.
Come here, look. Look. Look what Lakin, look. Look right here. It's a Doc coloring book. It's Doc McStuffins.
Wow, Lakin.
With colors. Ooh, with colors. Look.